Hello from Hengehold Trucks. You are looking at a 2024 Ford Transit 250 with 25,918 miles. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include Bluetooth, cruise control, keyless entry, cargo area wall panels, a backup camera, a reverse parking aid, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.